shows how many waves you've done. It doesn't show how many you've done past wave 6. Dubrellis last night? Wow. Dubrellis. What wave? That's how I got spooned an item? It was... It was, wasn't Rancor. Last spoon, I guess was the D-Hide chaps. Was the hide from Huey. So if you have 2300 wave completions, you have to divide this by 6? This is impossible to track. Because you don't know how many, you don't know which waves you've completed. Check out for hide. It was like, I think Huey. It was like 22. 3 and 150, nice. So 2300, 22 kickoff for hides. Yeah, that was nice. But that hide isn't like that rare, you know? I get spooned on the common items and then I go dry on the rare items. So 2300. I don't even know how to fucking calculate this. No, I can't work wave. I kind of want to just spam wave 7s. And therefore, I never have to worry about bullshit spawns ever again. Because, yeah. Even if I went for the boss, I don't want to put up with fucking wave 8 and wave 10 like bullshit, you know? I put up with it, you know, when you go for your first quiver, because you have the RNG of actually getting decent spawns for just the one and done. Um, yeah, but dude, spamming the wave 7s just does not seem fun. I might just do that shit off stream, honestly. I don't know. Because I can't depend on that RNG of like, oh yeah, just don't get double south spawn. Like that's really demotivating when you die and you like lose like a bunch of splinters. And I don't really want to spam wave 1 because it just makes more sense to at least spam wave 7s until perm. See if you get lucky. And then yeah, I guess you have to keep going after perm quiver. Ralos might be like the first off-stream item I ever grind. Cause I know people are like a lot of people have been tuning in and like, yo, you're gonna kill the boss? I'm like, nah, and they're like, oh. So this is like almost the equivalent of like spamming wave 1, but I'm just spamming wave 7. But at least if I have when I do see Ralos, it's free. I mean, I'll peak wave 8, but you know, 1 in 1,000, just chancing the double south, that's kind of scary. Or maybe just complete wave 6s and just peak the wave 7. That's probably better. Because for like my fucking RNG is like I finally see the Ralos. I peak wave 8 and I see the Ralos and it's double south spawn and I'm fucked. Like I don't want to do that. Like that's like a horror film waiting to happen. And freaking intoxicated is the other pure Iron Man that got it on wave 7. So fucking lucky, dude. That's probably his luckiest item on that account. Mm, 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 mm. So let's see, what can we do instead? Yeah, I'm gonna save literally Perm Quiver for like the fucking last goal because it's so dog shit. And I don't even get any elite clues, so it's not helping me with Tunic. Oh, we have A with Relics. I swear there's gonna be a news headline. Yeah. They're actually, I think this would be the news headline. Manhunt continues for gunman who shot and killed CEO of United Healthcare. It looked just like that. So it looks like my homework is well, I have to put a pause on Muspa for the Raynar seeds. Well, I can't really because I use a lot of prayer pots. Not really, I don't use that much prayer pots now if I'm only spamming wave 6, peaking wave 7, and then just only do wave 7 if I see splinters. I could get baited into peaking into, completing wave 7. But like the runs would be so consistent. Like we could do a test run right now. I don't think I even need all this stuff. Just overtook your rank in farming and one defense. Oh, you did? Wait, what was my rank? At 94 farming? 94 million? Oh, so you're 114 and am I 115? Mm, mm, mm. I'm not Ironman though, normal account, so I'm not as cool as you. Yeah, we need pure Ironman high scores. That'd be cool. Um, Price. That's ridiculous. But happy birthday! You kind of fucked up right now. What are you drinking? Cheers, man. Wait for soul. Not killing, boss. The objective is to. I feel like the highest chance of dying could be a double south spawn at wave 11, which could still happen on wave 10, but we like to peak wave 11 on the loot, and if it's even worth it to go for. We could kind of chance on an early Ralos. Is what I'm hoping for. Manta Mayhem. Pray Mage. Oh, they're both gonna hit me, of course. Oh my gosh. Just pray range, dude. Price. That's ridiculous. But happy birthday!